Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick review of a homeschool planner that I recently bought. This is the Homeschool Planner from erincondren.com. You get to pick the outside cover. I chose this one. You get to choose the color of metal that you get in your spiral. I chose the silver because it's cheaper than the gold, and I think there was rose gold. So once you open it up, there's a page for your information, and then if you skip past that, there's pages that look like this. You can put your goals, you can put the information about your homeschool requirements, curriculum. So after this page, there's 12 sections for 12 different months with these tabs. You can write whatever month you want it to be. You can date it, put your important dates in here. And then as you flip through, this is your weekly calendar. So the way that I'm going to be using this, and the way that makes the most sense to me, and the way they have it on their website, and I saw that and I thought, oh, that's how I'm going to do this. That's going to be the easiest way. Is that this page is going to be for my first child, and this page is going to be for my second child. If you have more children than that, you could do this is for one child, this is for another child, this is for another child, however you need to. But I'm going to do it like this. Child 1, all the way across. Child 2, all the way across. And then this is going to be Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So I'm going to go on Monday and look at everything that we have to do for school that day. So I'm going to write this out each week, like 1 or 2 pages of math each day, math test on Friday down at the bottom. So I just think this is the easiest way to organize for a homeschooler, and I just love the setup of this planner. So that's how I'm going to do it. And it's got, under each month, it's got 5 weekly pages. And then some blank pages in between. And then before each month, it has monthly focus, enrichment classes, field trips, supplies, and resources needed. And then it goes back into the monthly and then weekly pages. And then at the end, there is a trackers section. So you can put your websites, account name, password. There's some pages back here where you can write down books that the kids are reading, the title, author, date, and your child's name at the top to keep track of all the books that they're reading. Expenses tracker. And you can use these tracking pages for whatever you'd like, for attendance, how many days that you're doing school. And then there's stickers in the back. Who doesn't love pretty stickers? See, these are birthday stickers. These are just like tabs, I think. Yeah. Little tab stickers. And then it also came with some extra stickers there. And a little folder back here. And then that's that. So I haven't started just yet, although I did plan their first week out and wrote it in here. And I'm really excited to use this. I think this is going to be really helpful and a really great styled planner. I'm going to link it below, and let me know what you think.